More than a dozen twisters hit Texas, Oklahoma, and Kansas yesterday.
Luckily, there are no injuries to report, but there is significant damage. Today, several towns are starting the process of cleaning up. Meteorologist Lisa Meadows is in the Weather Center with the latest. What a day there.
Yeah, I know, a lot still going on. And actually continued overnight and actually into today. Look at the storm reports. Now, this from yesterday, and we're just tacking more and more on. The map is just riddled from Texas all the way through Kansas. The severe storm threat actually canceled schools and postponed graduations yesterday, rightfully so, after seeing some of the damage.
Numerous tornadoes, strong winds, and large hail ripped across the southern plains Monday. The storm damage started in West Texas, with hail breaking windows and damaging cars.
You could hear the hail hit, and then you could hear thuds of the branches falling off of the trees. So, well, I was thinking, I just hope the big tree don't fall this way.
Twin twisters were spotted near Crescent, Oklahoma, with an even more powerful tornado hitting the town of Magnum.
We've seen it just right over there about around where the softball field is, which is not very far, and you see it just coming a little closer, and finally my husband says, we're going to have to go somewhere.
Dew points were so high across the Plains states that clouds were unusually low, making the twisters even harder to spot.
It was kind of weird how it just came from nothing, and it was just like a huge cloud just spinning.
Overnight, the threat from the air turned to the ground as flash flooding covered parts of the state already hit hard by the storm.
You know, with the rainfall that we've had, we've got flash flooding in the streets, and so it's very dangerous driving.
In El Reno, Oklahoma, at least one family of 5 had to be rescued from flooding in their home, and officials are warning residents to stay off the roads until the water goes down.
And we really aren't done yet. Here's the map. This is the current outlook. You can see the storm has pretty much just shifted a little bit further off to the east. So we're pushing that threat now currently out into Illinois. And we're continuing to see more activity on radar. Tornado watch boxes here in red. Even a couple of warnings still popping up in the state of Missouri. Thankfully, the storm system, at least the severe part of the storm, is passing us to the south. Chris?
Yeah, Lisa, we've got the strong winds, the impending rain, the